So I know it's been a while, but we decided to kind of dive back into the Yamaha project. After talking to a couple of our other riding buddies who both have had cylinder head cracks on their Yamahas. So we're going to put the jig back on this thing and get the pressure tester out and see if we can find something from the top end. Same thing on the exhaust side. After we got everything pressure tested, you can see where the cylinder head is cracked around one of the head bolts there. It's very hard to see with the naked eye. In fact, you can't see anything with the naked eye. It looks like just a porous casting. We also had to get the pressure up to about 80 psi. So unfortunately now, looking at the repair cost for this Yamaha, we're also looking at a replacement cylinder head now. So we'll have to get back to the owner and see what he wants to do.